Morning 10th class. So today in this class we are going to do the numericals which were there in the notes given to you. These questions were there in the last and second last slide of the document. So today I'm going to discuss these questions with you. So there were two parts, one for potential difference and second one was for current. Fine. So this question is question number 1 from the potential difference part. The question is, how much work is done in moving 4 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference 10 volt. Short form PD is for potential difference. Fine. So we have done the question. We have done the formula potential difference VA minus VB as work done upon charge. Fine. So this was your formula. The question is giving us potential difference, so we have this value. Fine. So we can take it as simple V also. Fine. So 10 volt is equals to work done we have to find out now divided by 4. Fine. So you get work done as 40 joules. So this is your required work done. Second question, 100 joule of work is done in moving a charge of 5 coulomb from one terminal of battery to another. What is the potential difference of the battery? Now, what you have in this question, you have work done as 100 joules, fine, and charge as 5 coulomb. Again, formula is work done upon charge. So, this will be V is equals to 100 upon 5. So we can say the potential difference V is equals to 20 volt. Right? So this is your answer for this question. Third question, if 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule of work is done in moving a particle carrying a charge of 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb from infinity to point P, what will be the potential at a point? You know that when we are bringing that charge from infinity to point P, then that is defined as electric potential. Fine. That's why it is asking the potential at that point. So the formula remains same. V is equals to work done upon charge. Fine. Now we have to find out, and work done is given as 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Charge is 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Fine. So this is 1, this is 4. You get 10 to the power 3 by 4 or 250 volts. So this is the potential at that point. Now the second part was for the current. So you have to use the formula which we have discussed for current. Fine. Here I am talking about different formulas and I am giving you questions in sections. But in paper you are going to get the mixed questions. So just see the solution carefully because there you have to identify which formula you have to use. Fine. So question number 1 is, how many electrons pass through a lamp in 1 minute if the current be 220 milliampere? Now milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Fine. Current it is asking. Current is charge upon time. Fine. Now one more formula we have done, NE upon time. Fine. Now here the particles are electrons, so you may or may not use negative sign. Negative sign is just to show that these are electrons. Fine. So I is equals to N into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Fine. This is your charge divided by time. 1 minute you have to change into seconds, so 60 seconds, and current is given as 220 milli. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3 amperes. Right? So n is nothing but 220 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 60. So the answer is, just calculate this part and you will get 8.25 into 10 to the power 19. Fine. So these are the numbers of electrons passing through that lamp in 1 minute. Fine. So this is the solution for question number 1. Next question. Calculate the current supplied by a cell if the amount of charge passing through the cell in 4 seconds is 12 coulomb. Fine. Now current is equals to charge upon time. Now calculate current. We have to find out the current. Now Q is 12 and T is 4 seconds. So you get 3 ampere. So this is a simple question. So you get a current of 3 ampere. Now similar questions I will be giving you as assignment today only. You have approximately 30 minutes left for physics class. So do these questions right now in the time of physics class only in your fair notebooks, and I will be asking for the these assignments today only via WhatsApp group, so that I will be able to see whether you are doing questions or not. So next video I will upload in your next class. Till then, thank you.